Today on Power Nation Daily, Subaru admitted to falsifying data after a lawsuit with the government. Elon Musk resigns as chairman. A Ferrari 458 burst into flames outside a mall in Miami. The new BMW 3 Series can drive itself in reverse, and a woman went ham on a Corvette. It's also top 5 fast fails, so pull up a chair. This is Power Nation Daily. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to Power Nation Daily. Behind me is an awesome car that you can win. Stay tuned with that and check out our website at powernationtv.com. But let's get to talking about the news because we got a lot to talk about. Subaru is in hot water because, well, they lied about some stuff after their brake and steering tests were either enhanced or falsified. And they're not going to recall the affected vehicles. They pretty much said, hey, you have a hot potato, deal with it. What would you do in that situation? Testers apparently applied the rear brakes and the parking brake, which illegally enhanced the performance. That means when they're stopping, the guy or girl is pulling up on the emergency brake, getting to stop faster. Kind of a good idea, but not cool. If a car's tires didn't turn in accordance with the company standards, the inspectors would actually use their hands to shove the tires and get them to roll. This all sounds super sketchy, so if you own a Subaru, more than likely, all the numbers that you think are true are not. The question is, what are they going to do about it? Elon Musk is the man, but he's in hot water because he was sued by the SEC for fraud. They claim that Musk chose the $420 price share option because of its, well, marijuana culture reference. We're talking $20 million he forked out and had 14 days to do it, and he also had to resign as Tesla's board chairman for a minimum of 3 years. The good news is he's still, well, the CEO according to the title. Tesla also has to pay an additional $20 million fine because they failed to censor Musk's tweet. I bet you the guys in the company are like, come on, man, I know you're smart and all, but come on, work with us here. A Ferrari 458 burst into flames outside a mall in Miami. We don't know how or why. We do know that nobody was hurt, which is a good thing. Well, the only thing hurt besides the car was the guy's feelings that was probably driving it. But then again, he probably rented it, so he probably doesn't care. Everyone out there rents stuff. They're like, look at me, I got a credit card. The BMW 3 Series is the automaker's second best-selling vehicle in the US, right behind the X3 SUV. The 2019 model is gonna be the first redesign since 2012, so BMW fans are getting excited about this one. It's gonna be revealed at the Paris Motor Show, and it's powered by a healthy engine. It has a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6, putting out 382 horsepower, which is pretty peppy. The problem with this car is there's no manual option, which is not cool to me. It can also park reverse with backup assistance that records your steering inputs under 22 miles per hour and it recreates it. So as long as you're a decent backer-upper, it can be a decent backer-upper too. I'm not even sure if that's a word. But the car starts at $41,245. This video is viral, and if you're a Corvette fan, you're gonna love this, maybe hate it, but a woman goes ham on a Corvette. She takes what appears to be a golf club and smacks the crap out of the car. I'm assuming somebody got cheated on, or he made a purchase he wasn't supposed to make, or who knows, none of my business, but this is kind of an entertaining video to watch. Well, it's that time for Top 5 Fast Fails. This edition is all about Subarus. Number 5 for Top 5 Fast Fails is a dash cam of a weak crash, and that's pretty much all I got. It gets better, I promise. Number 4 for Top 5 Fast Fails is a Subaru that misses the turn and rolls over. Luckily for him, he has a good friend that pulled him back on his wheels. Number 3 for Top 5 Fast Fails is a Subaru that's racing, hits a berm, rolls into the bushes, and you think it's over for them, but they're ahead by 3 minutes. The guys say, let's get to work. They get out, they push the car back over on its wheels, and they end up winning the race. Never give up. Number 2 for Top 5 Fast Fails is a Honda Pilot that brake checks the Subaru, and the guy goes for a wild ride.
Yeah, I can see why she's feeling a little weird about this.
And number 1 for Top 5 Fast Fails is another rally race, which Subarus are known for. This Subaru misses the turn completely and flies off the road and right through a garage or a shed. The best part of the video is he decides to back up and keep going. I like it. Thanks for watching Power Nation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see, and we will try to make it happen. Hit us up on powernationtv.com and have a good rest of your day. Adios.